Hello friends, welcome to our channel. Let's start with HTML language today. Basic HTML tags over here. B tag. B tag is used for making the text as a bold. Then after big tag. Big tag is used to making the text as big. Emphasize to text of sentence. Then we are using the em tag, emphasizer text. For making the sentence or the text in italic form, we are using the I tag. Then after small tag, to make the sentence or the text in small as compared to the other text or the sentence, then we are using the small tag. Strong tag, to making the sentence or the text as a bold or the dark, then we are using the strong tag. Subtag is describes the subscript text, means example is H2O. There is in H2O 2 is the subscript. Then after that superscript describe the superscript text. Example the 11th, in 11th or 12th, th is the superscript text. Let's move. U tag, use the style instead. Let's move. Attributes, basically what is the mean by the attributes of HTML tag. Attributes means clarifying and modifying the elements inside the tags. Attributes are used inside the tags, but attributes are always specified with any starting tags only. Okay, we are not using the attributes within a closing tag, it's only used within a starting tag. Attributes are provides the additional information about the element. Let's see about the attributes. Move. Attributes of image tag. Mostly the attributes of image tag are the src and alt. What is mean by now src? Src is the source attribute which stores the address of the image tag. If your image is on desktop, then we have to save the address. We are copying the address of the image by opening the image into internet explorer or the Google Chrome. Then we are copying the address and we will store inside the src attribute. Then we will see in our output as that image. Then alt attribute specifies the alternative text to be used if image is not displayed on the screen. If sometimes the Opera menu does not supports the image, then we will see the alternative text about that image by using the alt attribute. If you are providing inside the alt attribute like a flower, then we will see instead of the image, if image is not display on the screen, then instead of that image we will see the sentence like flower, which will be already given inside the alt attribute. The alt attribute of the attribute can read the screen readers. This way someone listening to the web pages, example the vision impaired person, can hear the element. Let's move. This is our the base first image tag and attribute used code. HTML tag, head tag, then title tag close, head tag close. Inside the body there is h1 tag. We are already seen h1 for the large header tag. H1 tag is used. Inside the h1 we are writing here image is display on a screen, then h1 tag is close. Then after we are using the image tag. Inside the image tag we are going to use src as an attribute. We are storing the address of the image inside the src attribute. Then we will see here we are using the alt as an attribute over here, and we will return their flowers inside the alt attribute. Then image tag close, then body tag close, then head tag close. We will see the output of this code. This is our output. We will see here the image is display on a screen. First sentence which we already written inside the h1 first header tag. That's why we will see here the image is display on a screen, this sentence over here. Then we will see the image over here. Image is display on a screen, that's why we can't see the sentence here. Inside the alt attribute we are write, writing that the flowers, because the image is display on screen we can't see that. Okay, let's move. This is the attributes of image, html tag: align, bg color, background, id, class, width, height, title. The align is attribute is basically used to align our text image to the right, left, center, up and down, or image also. bg color is attribute used inside the body tag to give the background color to our html document. Then background attribute stores the background image of the html document. Then after we will see the id names an element for the use with the cascading style sheet. We will see it later on. Class is also clarifying the element for the use within a cascading style sheets. Okay, we will see it later on also. First we will see the basic attributes of html. Width specifies the width of the tablet image or the table cells. What is mean by table cells? We will see by using by code by the time of coding of table. Okay, then height is also specifies the height of the tablet and images. We will see it. Okay, html code. Inside this html code we are using the attribute here, height and width. You will see here. Then using this attribute we will run that code. We will see here the image tag, head tag, title tag, close, head tag, close. Inside the body we are using the h1 first header tag. Then we are using here the align attribute. Let's see here align attribute. Inside the align we are writing this sentence: image is display on a screen at middle. That's why we are using here align is equals to at center. Align is equals to center, so the this sentence image is display on a screen is at center. Then h1 tag is close. Then after we are using here the image tag. In image tag we are using the src attribute. We are copying the address of that image which we want to show on our web page. Then we are using the alt attribute. If image is not display on our web page, then we will see the sentence like flowers. Then width is equals to, we are using the new attribute here, width and height inside the image tag. Width is equals to 400, height is equals to 400. We will see uh, in our output height and width are equal in image tag. Then image tag close, body tag close, html close, html tag close. Then we will see the output of that html code. The image is display on the screen is at the middle because of the we are using here the inside a h1 tag align is equals to center. And we will see here image is display on the screen at middle. Then image src, image is at a is not at a middle because we are not aligning the image at middle or left or right. It is by default at left side. Okay, the width and height we are specifying over here. That's why image width and height are equal. We will see in our output width and height of the image are equal. That's why we will see here output like that. Okay, share or subscribe karna guys. Bye bye.